Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel and check my other tutorials. I have amazing tutorials for everyone, whether you're a beginner, whether you want to learn what UI UX is all about, whether you want to learn how to make use of Figma, you are welcome. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. So now let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, just watch me move my cursor. I'm clicking on the left. I'm going to click on file and place image. I'm going to select the image we'll be working on today, which is my personal picture. So we click on open and let it come up. So we are going to wait a bit and click on our screen, click and drag so that we can place our image properly. After placing our image gently and neatly, we are going to go to resources to search for our plugins, and we'll be using Remove BG. I will click on it and click on set API key, and this is for people who are using it for the first time, so you can understand how to go about setting it up. So when it loads up, you read the instructions, go to remove B. It's asking you to go to the website so you can create an account, and you will find your API key here. So we will click on the link and wait a bit for it to load. I already have an account here, so we will just go to API key, and I'll be clicking on this link here. And you can see the API key, it's already displayed. So I would copy and go back to my Figma and paste it. It has already been pasted because I make use of it already. So we'll click and save. We are now going to click on our photo and go back to resources. We'll click on remove BG and we will run it on our screen. So we are going to wait a little bit. Our background is off, so this is exactly what we need. I think my background is too dark, so I'm going to lighten it up a bit so we can see what we are working on. I'm actually lightening it up a bit so we can see what we are working on. I'm adjusting my photo a bit. Yes, this is okay. So I will click on my photo and click on fill. We'll add a new fill. You can see the color section is out. We'll click on the color section and select the color we want. So I'm going to select our color. Yes, I think this is okay. So I have to increase it to 100% so that we can get the full solid color. I will click and drag it up. Yeah, so that it goes behind my photo. Yes, this is exactly what we want. This is beautiful. You can see this is exactly what you want. So you can select any color of your choice depending on what you like. You can choose which other color you prefer or which one is suitable for your picture. You can use this for a professional picture or whatever kind of picture you are working on. And sometimes when you're working on your project, you can use remove BG. So I'm just adjusting my color. I like to work with that color a whole lot. Yeah, and I'm just going to select it back to white. So thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe. See ya.